everybody. It is now mid-January and we have had a couple months to enjoy the outdoor kitchen, take it for a test drive and see what's working and what needs some updating. I wanted to share with you the whole process, beginning to end, including like figures for how much we spend on the different parts in a very compact format. So if you want to see that, that's coming up next. At the end, I'll go over some changes that we've made, some additions we've put in place, and things that we're going to change in the future. I'm sure many of you have noticed this gnarly looking concrete right here and asked, why did we not fix that before putting this in place? Short answer, just didn't feel like we had the time or budget to jackhammer up this entire slab and re-pour it. Now we are going to protect what we've built and cut out the icky bit, at least re-pour half of it. Another thing is, initially we were going to align the grill so that the control panels were flush with this edge. And then after the concrete is already poured, we're like, actually, we want the deck aligned to the front. So we pulled the whole thing to the front. However, that left a gap back here, which wasn't terrible, but we did decide to fill it with just this piece of tile trim, which I had painted. I just trimmed the edges there so it looks more intentional. And it fits perfectly right in there, just sort of suspended, and it looks like a vent for the grill. Some of you have asked about our accessories, and they were ordered online from Amazon. Most importantly, this one for the propane tank, one should note it is too narrow for your standard size propane tank. The overall width is fine, but the inner width is about 1 inch too short. So it's too late to send it back. So we just got a smaller tank that fits in the store. I think it's like 9 inches wide. So that was fine. We also keep other grill accessories down here, some yard games, you know, paper towels, stuff like that. Having to get a new propane tank for that was not such a big deal because we just used the old one for this, which is a recent addition. We got it to have a shrimp boil, and since then we've been deep frying stuff with it. And we just dragged that other old propane tank over here and hooked it up, and it's time to fry. One addition is this cover for the drink trough, just to keep the dust out for the most part, but it serves other functions too. Flip it over, and candles in there, or depending on kind of party you can have, it's a shot ski. But that was a really simple $0 scrap wood project. We also replaced our seating area over here. What we had before was completely decaying in the sun. So we got these 2 love seats from Target, and they have worked out great.